Yes, class, good morning. Today topic your problem solving exercise 7.3. Today I am taking first question here. How many three-digit numbers can be formed by using the digits 1 to 9 if no digit repeated? The condition here given कि digits will be no repeated. A number will be formed three-digit numbers are using the digit here 1 to 9, not using the 0. Here start the solution here. Given digits one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the given digits. These 9 digits are given. You will be formed the three digit numbers, but condition here कि no digit will be repeated. Or second condition कि no digit is repeated. Then number will be formed here. Three-digit numbers here, first, second, and third. So this is the unit place, tens place, or hundred place. This is unit place, ones place, tens place, and hundred place. A number will be formed here, three digits, the three boxes, ones, tens, and hundred. Because here three-digit number forms three digits. Number formed three digits, once unit place, tens place, and hundred place. After that, the condition given not repeated means how many way you fill the unit place. The complete 9. Now, number of way to fill unit place is 9 way. Means you have this choice complete 9 digits to fill the unit place. And you fill any digits here in the unit place. You have the choice here 9 digit choice. So that means number of way fill here unit place is 9 way. Second, number of way to fill tens places. This is the 8 because here one digit already consumed here, already used here. Then you can say here how many digits left here? 8. Then you can figure total choice of this to fill here 8 way. Next, number of way to fill 100 place equal to 7 because one digit here used, second digit here used, the total here 9 digits. So then how many left here? To fill 100 place only 7. So then you will write here 7. So by FEC, total number of ways equal to 9 into 8 into 7. 9 8 is 72 into 7. 7 to the 14 carry 1, 7 7 14 and 15. This is your answer. This is your answer. First of all, you read the question very carefully, then you solve the question. What things are given, what condition you are given, how many digits your number will formed here, then you writing a separate way, then you write it. This question you can solve the second method also. This is your final answer. This is your final answer. But suppose you want one shortcut of this in this type question. The how goes the shortcut here? It means total numbers of the digits here 9. So n equal your 9. Total number of digits here 9. And how many digits you are using here? 3 digits. You are using here 3 digits. This is called the R equal to 3. The total number of way, how many digit number is the total number of way? Total number of ways NPR means 9p3 or what identity of this? What identity of formula of this NPR? This is the identity of factorial 9 upon 9 minus 3 factorial. A factorial 9 means 9 into 8 into 7 into factorial 6. Or here this is factorial. Factorial 6 will be cancelled. Here 504 this. Both answer are same. This answer both are same. But this is this name of this method is the FPC. Fundamental Principle of Counting. Using this is the name of this method is the FPC means Fundamental Principle of Counting, or name of this method is permutations. So this is the simple using the LT NPR, then you get the answer. Both but here suppose special method asking the solve the FPC, then you solve in this way. Suppose solve any method mentioned here, then you solve any method, answer will become same. Yes, note down it, then next questions. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 2, same exercise. How many 4-digit numbers are there with the no digits is repeated? Something similar in the question number 1. Okay, how many 4-digit number? Where question number 1 is the 3-digit numbers, here question 4-digit number. Are there no digits repeated? A condition first question is the same, no digit repeated. A question here same things here, not repeated. But in first question total digits are given 1 to 9, but in this question is not given these things. Digits will be 1 to 9, 1 to 8, 1 to 8. In this condition you will take the all digits 0 to 9. In this condition you will take the all digits. Now solve the question here. Given digits, given digits here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. In this condition, suppose here digit is not given, from 1 to otherwise 2, 3 or 4, a last digit. But then in this condition you will take the all digit 0 to 9. And next condition here given, no digit repeated. No digit repeated. And number formed 4-digit number. So then you will write here 4-digit number formed here, first, second, third and fourth. First, second, third and fourth. Now look here. In question number first you write the ones, tens, hundred and thousand place. You can write this is not changed. Suppose you will write in this way here, ones, tens, hundred. Ones and unit place, tens place, hundred place and thousand place. What difference in both the condition here? First we will discuss about it. Here I am writing here ones, tens, first, second, third, fourth places. Here write the unit, tens, hundred and thousand place. In this condition, suppose 0 you are given, then we will write that in this condition, not write in this condition. Why? Because suppose you write the 0 in the last place, in this both, the number will be not change. But suppose you will write the 0 here in first place, or suppose here the number will be converted in the 3-digit number. The only 0 is not counting the first place. 0 is not counting the first place. It means when you write the zero also, including zero also the digits, then we will write the in this structure, not in this structure. It means starting from the here. Suppose first place. So how many way you will fill the first place? Now number of ways to first place. Number of ways to first place. First place not here, first place here, because zero here given. So zero here given, so then you will convert here. Suppose you are starting the zero number converted in the 3 digits. So zero will be not right. So how many numbers you have choice? The 9 number. So then you have choice only 9 number. Because zero you will not write here. You have choice only the 9 numbers. You will first place you will fill the 9 way. Second thing, number of ways second place. Check this. First place you will fill only the 9 way, but second place you have choice you can fill the 0 also here. You can fill 0 here. Second place you have choice the 9 also. 9 same things, because here 0 including here and total digit you have the 10. So you have second place choice here 9, because here one digit you are using here. How many left? 9. You can use here in the second place only the 9, because your total digit here 10. So then you have choice to fill only the second place 9, but first place total digit you are 10, but you have choice to fill only the 9, because 0 you will not fill here. When you fill 0 here, then number will converted in the 3 digits. Same thing, number of a third place. This is the 8. So 2 digit you are already using here. Then what is left? To 8. Then left here 8 digits. And next, number of ways to fill fourth place. This is the 7th. Because 1, 2, 3 digits you are already here, so these 3 digits will be not repeated here. So repetition is not allowed, so these 3 digits will not repeat here. So how many digits are left out of 10? 7. So you will fill this 7 way. Then by FPC, total number of ways equal to 9 into 9 and 8 into 7. So 9 9 is 81 or 8 7 is 56. Then you multiply here 81 56 into 81. 56 1 is 56. 8 6 is 48. Carry 4 or 5 8 is 40 and 44. 6 8 5 13 44 and 45. The result here come 45 36. So this is your final answer. Total number of here 45 36. Suppose 0 here including here, then you will be not filled in the first place. Don't write in this way. Suppose you write in this way, then you have the choice that 10. Suppose you are starting from here, then you have a choice that 10, 9, 8 and 7. The answer will become the wrong. You will fill the here, then your answer will become the correct. Because you have 0 including here. The 0 will be not right in the first place. Because suppose you are using here first, then number will be converted in the 4th place to 3 place. 4 digit to 3 digits. Then every number will be required in the 4 digit, not 3 digit number. So then this is your final answer. Yes, note down it. Then next question. Yes class, next question I am taking question number 4. This is the important question. Now read the question first here. To find the numbers of 4 digit numbers. that can be formed using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here digit given, limit of the digit are given to 1 to 5. If no digit repeated, condition here given कि no digit will be repeated. First question here कि how many 4-digit number from the suppose digits are not repeated, given digits are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second answer here is how many of will be even numbers. Second answer here, how many will be even numbers here. So then here two answers of this question. First answer here and second answer even numbers. First answer total numbers or second answer only even numbers. So then start the solution here. First, given digit one, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total digit here 5. Condition given here, no digit is repeated, and number formed 4-digit. Then you will be make 4-digit numbers, first, second, third and fourth. This is a ones place, unit place, tens place, 100 place and 1000 place. According this, first condition you will find the answer the total numbers. How many, where you fill the total numbers, not condition even and odd. First condition only the total numbers. Total number of where to fill this 4-digit numbers. The total digits are total digits given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, 5 digits, and number formed 4-digit number, ones, tens, 100, 1000. Or condition here given digit is not repeated. Condition here given कि no digit is repeated. So then start the solution here. So now number of ways to fill unit place equal number of unit place here total digits here 5, then 5 way. Total digit here the 5 digit, you can fill in this unit place 5 way. Now number of way to fill tens place. One digit you are using here, then how many left? 4. Then here total way here 4. Left way is 4. Because one digit already using here, then total digit left here. The left digit here 4 digits. Then you place in this place you fill only 4. Second 100 place, the number of way to fill here 100 place. 100 place here 3 way. One digit you are using, one digit you are using. Left here 3 way. Suppose 1, 2, 3 digits already consumed here, then left here only 2. So then number of ways is 1000 place. The 1000 place is 2 way. So in this way you can fill 5 way, 4 way, 3 way and 2 way. So by FVC total number of ways equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 5 4 are 20 into 6 are equal to 120. Here total way is equal to 120. You can fill the 4-digit number here 120 way. Second trick here, second condition here. Second condition here, suppose how many way the even number. Here given the how many way these will be the even number. First of all, even number when even number is formed, when you write the unit place number is even. Unit place number is even digits. When you make the even number, when unit place digit is the even. When unit place digit is the even. If you write the, suppose this is the unit place, you write the even digit here, then this number is from the even number. So you will check here. even digits, even digits कौन कौन से हमारे पास? इवन डिजिट्स है 2 and 4. Even digits you have only 2 and 4. These are only two even digits. The number form 4-digit number. Then you will write here, make this box 1, 2, 3, 4. Unit place, tens place, and 100 place and 1000 place. Same things. Unit place, tens place, 100 place, 1000. Same things. But when you write the unit place here, even digits, then this number is formed as the even number. So now number of way. Same things are number of way to fill unit place. How many way here? Because you have the 2 digits, so only 2 way. You have only the 2 digit here, 2 even digits here. Then you have only fill in this place in 2 way, not 3 and not 4, not 5. Because even digits only 2, then you will fill here only unit place only 2 way. Second, number of way to fill the tens place checklist. The unit place you can fill the 2 way because you have the only 2 even digits. But condition for the tens place is not required even or odd. You can fill here any digits here. Then you can fill here. Suppose our condition same, repetition is not allowed. Suppose 2 digits you are using. The how many digits left? How many digits you choice of here to fill here? 4 digits. Then you fill here only 4 digits. Because 1 digit you already used here. A total digit you have only 5. So 1 digit, suppose you are using here 2, you have left only 4 digit. You have choice to fill here only 4 way, 4 digit and 4 way. Then 1 and 2 digit already used here. Then 100 place you have choice only 3 way. Number of way to fill is the 100 place. This is the 3 way. This is the 3 way because 1 and 2 you use already are using here. This year you have left only 3 digits. So then you have choice to fill here only 3 way. Next 1000 place. Number of way is the 1000 place. This is the 2 way because 1, 2, 3 you have already using here. 3 are already the left choice. You have only the 2. This 2 and this 2 are same. But because unit place is the compulsory, you have fill only 2 way here because you have only 2 even digits. Then you have choice in the 2 choice here. Or here left choice. Here 1, 2, 3. You have 3 digits already using. Then this is you have left only 2 digit. Then you have choice only to fill your 2 way. So by FPC, total number of ways equal to 2 into 4 into 3 into 2, 4 to the 8, 4, 3 to the 6. This equal to 48. This is your answer. So you are making the even digit number, 4 even number. So means even number you will be make the even number you will make here the 48 ways, and you will all number you can make here this is even odd, all number you make it the 120 way. You will fill the digit here at any kinds of number, even or odd, then 120 or only even, then you fill this 4 digit number in 48 way. This is the one question, very important question in this type question in the exam. So then very important questions.